Google just announced a brand new phone in the Pixel lineup, and I have it right here. This is the Pixel 10a in Obsidian. Let's open it up and get some first impressions. I'm actually really excited to see the camera on this phone because this phone actually has a completely flat camera. We're so used to seeing camera bumps, so this is gonna be a nice change. All right, in classic Google packaging, I'm gonna slide it out. Here it is. Let's see. Okay, and here's the phone. Let us check it out. Wow. Oh, this is a really nice color. It's like a matte black. The Obsidian looks really nice on this. Seeing the cameras like this, even tablets have camera bumps nowadays too. So it's actually really refreshing to see a completely flat back on this phone. And it is just so sleek. And on the sides, you have aluminum, and it honestly looks really good. Let's see what else we have in the box. Okay, we have a SIM ejector. Looks like we have some paperwork. And of course, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So nothing too exciting in the box. I do wish that this cable was braided. It looks like this is just a regular USB-C to USB-C cable, but at least it comes with that. Another thing to note is that this phone actually has a physical SIM slot. That's pretty rare these days since a lot of phones just support eSIM only now. Overall, it also feels really light. I like how it feels in my hands. You have the volume on the side, you have the power switch over here too. And then you have the two cameras over here, flash, USB-C on the bottom, and speaker grills on the bottom as well. So that was my quick unboxing of the Pixel 10a phone. It honestly looks really amazing. I really like the camera on the back, but now it's time to actually test out the phone. I'm gonna be making a full review video on this, so make sure you're following for all the latest.